1 and 4. If you're experimenting a cup, what will happen if you mix vinegar and baking soda together?
Okay? Do the experiment right now.
Okay.
Narrate it. Someone try to narrate it.
First, we put baking soda on the gathering cylinder carefully.
Calorie siya. Ano pa? A little bit more. Put more. Konti po nila. Put more. A little bit more. Okay na? Okay. That's enough.
Then we put vinegar in the balloon and carefully place it on cover the hole on the gathering cylinder carefully. What's happening?
Okay. Kunti pa, kunti pa.
Diba? Then poach mo. Oh, then poach mo. Wala na.
Wakan niyo muna, wakan niyo. Ito mo this first. Ayan. Ito mo. Wakan niyo muna, wakan niyo. Pilipit niyo muna siya. Ayan. Sige. Ayan. Ayan.
Oh, yeah.
Wakan mo. Wakan mo. Slowly turn it.
Oh no! A big hook. Oh, explode! Explode! I can't.
Wakan mo, wakan mo. Tumbayan.
Oh no.
Ang suka na ako. Okay, pause.
Here.
Wala, sandali. Again.
What happened here is an acid-base experiment. The acid is the vinegar, and the base is the baking soda. What happened here is when we mix it together, it produces a gas called the carbon dioxide.
Okay, and so, end mo na. Pop.
I hope the one who watches this experiment
Okay? End na. Okay, dali niyo yung yung materials natin. Hugasan niyo muna siya. And bring this on my desk. Ito rin.
Ako na. Saan ko po ito nalagay?
Doon sa lamesa ko.
Teacher,
Sa lamesa ko rin.
Sa faculty?
Oo.
Dito rin?
Oo. Tawagin niyo si Teacher Ann, tapos yung classmates siya sa library. Tawagin niyo na rin.
Sir, na lang sa bahay.
Yung ano?
Yung activity. Hindi ba? I mean, sa
Pwede.